I love custom keyboards and I love watching anime. But you know what's even better? Anime themed custom keyboards. Hey, I'm Santa and welcome to the channel where I try to review products with real facts without sugarcoating and marketing hype. Just honest reviews you can actually trust. And in today's video we are checking out Chilkey's latest launch of Slice68HE, a keyboard inspired by the iconic anime Neon Genesis. Now this key comes in quite neat packaging including user manual, Type-C braided cable and a ribbon cable. Not sure why, and that's it. No keycap puller, no dust cover, and then our keyboard. And oh boy, it looks really good. They nailed the custom theme for this keyboard and it looks incredible and got no words for the stylish back. Now before I turn it on, let's check out the product page. And it costs about $200, coming in two different colors, red and purple. Now it's a full aluminium keyboard with 5 layers of interesting sound dampening layers, which also includes a cork dampening layer underneath the positioning plate, offering 8K polling rate and very precise 0.005 mm rapid trigger. So looks and specs are quite good. It also comes with a decent web-based software where you can adjust your preferred settings and rapid triggers. Now again, just a quick reminder, getting a Hall effect keyboard don't make you a good gamer. So only opt for Hall effect keyboards when you know for a fact that you need these specifications to get a competitive edge. Now let's come back to our keyboard and let's turn it on. So RGB is pretty decent. It's not that bright but it's not that dim as well. For comparison, I have OLAV75 in the brightest category and WK68 in the lower category. So it's middle of these two. I'd say RGB is still pretty decent. Now this key uses an aluminium positioning plate along with LED diffuser switches, so the RGB color spread is really nice, along with a bottom RGB diffuser light which is also customizable and adds quite a neat touch. Now I'll keep the purple green light to match the theme and I like it best on this keyboard. Now just to experiment, I want to try some different keycaps on this keyboard. Now it's totally subjective, but I think the keycaps are holding back this keyboard a little bit. Some side engraved keycaps on this would look really cool, or maybe a better color combination, because dark purple with black background with very slim fonts are not looking that great. And matching color themed custom WS flux switches with an LED diffuser, and yep, it's hot swappable. Now before I take it apart, let's do a quick sound test. Now despite being an Hall effect keyboard, it's actually sounding pretty good, but the spacebar could use some maintenance. We'll try to fix it before final sound test. Now let's take off the keycaps and we have a very clean aluminium positioning plate which looks really nice. Now after some time of figuring it out, I found that to open up the keyboard, screws are tucked away underneath these rubber pads. It pains me to rip off these grips and I feel like there could have been a better way to implement this part. But we'll do it for the video. Now this screw is stuck here and not coming out, at least not with the screwdriver I have. And now after ruining 2 feet, I'm unable to open the third one. Well, I got no choice but to put it back. Now let's also take a look at the stabilizer, and the stem is not flat, making that rattly sound, which I was not expecting with this keyboard. Well, to fix the stabs we need to clip these 2 extra legs which are budging out. We need to make sure that the stem base is flat and we do it for the both sides. Now we apply some dielectric grease to our stabs, even it out with the help of a brush, and make sure to apply some on the stem's side as well, and then put it back. Let's also test it out and see if we fixed it. Yep, much better. And here we can also see a thick cork layer underneath the positioning plate, which is also responsible for giving a decent sound profile to the keyboard. Now let's put it all back and here's the final sound test. Now, as per my final thoughts on this keyboard, well, it's definitely a neat looking keyboard with full aluminum finish and premium build quality, coming with 5 custom sound dampening layers with gasket and a theme design. And despite being an Hall effect keyboard, which are known to sound pretty bad, this one stands out with much deeper clacky sound, which I find way better than the others. But there are some flaws like opening screws being underneath the rubber grips, which I personally don't like, and despite having a really nice RGB, keycaps are not doing justice. Even with the RGB on with full brightness, it looks like the RGB is still off when looking at a normal viewing angle. And I was also expecting some decent accessories to come with a keyboard of this price range. That's all folks, I hope you enjoyed the video and let me know your thoughts in comment, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.